Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I know this is late and August has already started, but this is going to be my August bullet journal setup video. I was really confused on what to do for this month's theme, and I tried so many things that just didn't work for me. I actually thought I wouldn't even set up for this month, and I feel like a lot of people go through this phase, and for me, the best way to pass through this phase is to gain inspiration from other people's creations. So the theme of this month is heavily inspired by Shayda Campbell's videos. I love her floral illustrations and I watched her August setup video, so this is like a combination of those. So starting off with the cover page, I am filling the letter A for August with all of these floral and leaf illustrations. This is inspired by one of her floral illustrations video. I chose this color palette of baby pink, holly green and grey, and I really like the combination of these. After the letter is complete, she also did a Dutch door effect by cutting a part of the letter and a part of the page. So I tried to replicate that and I cut off counting 8 dots. After that, I added more illustrations to the next page so that it would be visible from the cover page. And I'm also outlining the letter A with my grey zebra mine liner. For the other page, I wanted to make a goals page, so I used some brown paper for that, and I also made a little mini calendar for August and stuck that on top. So I wasn't really liking the Dutch door illustrations on the main page. I thought it looked really busy and I wanted to highlight the letter, so I covered the illustrations with the brown paper and I love how that looked. And that's the cover page done. For the monthly page, I used the rest of the remaining page to make the monthly calendar. I'm starting with my illustrations first and filling up the whole page. Then I just made the calendar, added more doodles, and that's it for the monthly page. Next we have the trackers page. This month I just wanted to do my habit trackers, so I made 3 habit trackers, a to-do list for the month and an expense tracker, and that's all the trackers that I need for this month. After that, I'm adding doodles all over the page again. After failing many times to set up the theme for August, this floral illustration theme was so relaxing for me to do. Sometimes I forget that I'm doing this for myself and worry more about how I'm not planning out my spreads on time or if people won't like them. But at this point, I was just enjoying myself, so I really enjoyed this theme. As you can see, I filled the whole other page with these doodles, and so I turned this into a quote page. It says, "Through sun and rain, you will bloom all the same," and that's it for this spread. Lastly, we have the weeklies, and I decided to do a Dutch door kind of thing again. I don't know what to call this, but it is very similar to a Dutch door. I'm cutting off the border so that the illustrations can be done in just one page and it can be visible through all of the weeklies. I'm also using these small circle sticky notes to make tabs so you can turn the pages easily. And then of course I'm filling all the empty borders with the floral illustrations again. I love using these brush pens, and everything I've used will be listed in the description below if you're interested. And that's my weekly spreads done. Here's the final flip through of all the pages. I hope you guys enjoyed this late August setup video. Don't forget to leave a like if you did and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye!